prep my skin using Cosrx Essence and Baldama Moisturizer. Skin prep is a must for a flawless base. Never skip it. For my brows, I am using the Vicks Eye Pencil. The darker shade for the edges, while the lighter shade for the front strokes. Feel free to use any brand you like to achieve your desired brow look. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? I am Ariana. If this is kind of content you enjoy, please do well to like and comment. I want to know you. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much. Then I'm cleaning up my brows with E.l.f. Camo concealer and a flat concealer brush. Take your time with this step. Precision is the key. So I'll be using E.l.f. concealer to prep my eyeshadow base. Okay. You can also use this brush. I'm using this brush to blend. I feel like I need a little bit of conceal. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this will be okay. Alright, I think the angle is okay like this. Yeah. So I'll just blend in. Okay. For my first color, I'll be using this brown from BeautyBay. Yeah, this is BeautyBay palette. So I'll be using this brown for the edges, the outer part. Okay. Then I will follow up with Blossom eyeshadow palette. This is it. Blossom eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it is Nigeria brand. It's also good. I'll go in with the Geoma. This one is like burgundy. Yeah, it is burgundy. So I'll go in with, is it burgundy? Burgundy. Yeah, I think it's burgundy. So I'll go in. Then I'll follow up with the burgundy color. What is this? Okay. I think we are good. So just blend everything together. As you can see, I am going back and forth. So blend everything together. I think we are good now. Then I am going with fruity, this color from BeautyBay. Fruity, okay, tutti frutti. Yeah, tutti frutti color. Okay. Blend. Okay. I'll be going in with white eyeshadow. Yeah, white eyeshadow for my inner corner. Okay. So I'll be going in with this shimmer from Blossom palette, dreamy. So I'll just pick a little bit of the shimmer, then on top. Okay. Oosh, I think we're going to forward. Okay. Yeah. Then I'll be going in with mascara. Yeah, for my eyelashes. So I'll be using Maybelline Baby Skin primer. This is a primer, so I'll be using it. Before you go in with your primer, so if you have some excess eyeshadow on your face, you just clean it. So I'll just go in with my primer. Okay, yeah, this is enough. Then blend it together, blend, and allow it to sit for some minutes. So while waiting for our primer to sit down for a bit, I'll be mixing my foundation together. I'll be using this E.l.f. Satin foundation. This one is too dark for me, and then I'll be using this LD Mix foundation. So this one is too light, it's a little bit light for me, so I'll be using the two together. So I'll just mix it before the primer sits for a bit. Alright, I'll be using this flat brush. It looks like a paint brush. I'll be using it to apply my foundation. So my foundation. Okay. So after applying with a brush, then I will go in with my beauty sponge to just blend everything in case there is essence foundation. So I'll just blend everything in. Okay, yeah, good to go. Just so for my blush, I'll be using this Pixi blush for my blush. Okay. Alright, so for my highlighter, I'll be using this E.l.f. Camo concealer to highlight my face. So like this. Okay. This NYX professional setting spray. So time for blending. So I'll be using this brush to blend, this concealer brush to blend. Okay. So I'll be going in with Maybelline press powder. Then I'll be going in with my face powder to blend everything in. So I'll be going in with blush and powder bronzer. Yeah, so I'll be using this blush palette, and then I'll be using this brush, I'll be using this one. I don't want too much blush. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, Okay. I think. So for my lips, I started with a brown lipstick to line the edges. And for the center, I use pink color from the same lip palette. This is the final look without gloss, but I decided to add one for extra shine. Which do you prefer, matte or glossy? Comment down below. And that is a wrap. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.